Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to start an end-to-end encrypted chat on Instagram. In this full guide, we will walk you through the steps to ensure your conversations remain private and secure. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right to go to your profile. Step 3. On Instagram, tap the airplane icon or the direct message icon at the top right of the feed. Step 4. Tap the pen icon in the top right. Step 5. Tap the lock icon at the top right next to Start End-to-End Encrypted Chat. Step 6. Select the people you want to start an end-to-end encrypted chat with, or search for their names at the top. Step 7. Tap Create Chat at the bottom. By following these simple steps, you can initiate an end-to-end encrypted chat on Instagram, ensuring your conversations are protected. Remember, chats that are end-to-end encrypted will have a lock icon. Any other conversations with the same people will appear as separate chats. Enjoy secure messaging on Instagram. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative guides. Stay tuned for our next video.